Before powering on iSteady X, you need to unlock the motors, mount your phone, and balance it on the gimbal. At first, you need to loosen the knob and unfold the gimbal. Do not forget to tighten the knob. Secondly, unlock the pan motor by rotating the handle to the left. Make sure all 3 motors are unlocked. Rotate the phone holder, ensuring that the HOHEM logo face towards. Attach your phone, ensuring that the camera is on the left. Put your phone stuck in the bottom of holder and pull the head of holder to mount your phone. If your phone falls to one side on the gimbal, you need to slide the holder to the middle of phone until the phone stays still without falling to any sides. Clench the holder, ensuring that your phone is clinged to the rubber mat. Long press the power button to power on iSteady X. Please be noted that iSteady X will beep after powering on. If any one of the motors is unlocked, the Bluetooth light turns red, and iSteady X will turn off automatically. Unlock all the motors, so iSteady X will be able to power on. Thanks for watching.